Go on people, go on. So we're there again. The next video, so today visit a farm here. Give them a farm name now, D.D.D Farm. D.D.D Livestock Farm. Said farm by the ram farm, remember the farm they enlarging now and wide them operation into lots more livestock. So I go visit a farm there in there, see me there in a car. So I need to drive and video. So I go show up and just jump right in the video. So people just stay tuned and watch how I go on, peeps.
Nice female boy there. As you can see, we have a very morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. We are about to give you a tour on the D.D.D Farm. We are located in Shrewsbury, Portland, next to the Fruitful Vale Primary School. Which our farm we raise do livestock rearing of goat, pigs, birds, dog, and further on we're planning to do more rearing. Okay, as you enter the farm, this is the first thing that greets you, some lovely birds. We have birds like lorikeet, sun conure, macaw, ringneck.
Come.
Alright, as you go along again, we have some lovely parrots here, some orange wings, ringnecks, Alex green, and some lovely mustache here as well. Again, you have some lovely mustache here, a lovely pair of mustache. As we leave the bird section of the farm, we're going to move on to the piggery section of the farm. Here, as you see, we have an unfinished piggery pen there. Okay, this is the maternity section of the piggery farm, which we is not active as yet. We're still in construction, trying to get it finished up and stuff like that, as you can see. Okay, and there is these are the thing that you set whenever the pigs are pregnant. You put them here. So whenever they have pigs and stuff like that, this is the place that you place them. As whenever they have any they just drink here and eat here. No space or anything for them to move. That's the maybe can able to lose pig or stuff like that.
Squeeze the kid.
Or squeeze the pigs, the younger one. To hurt them or even cause them to die. Okay, again we're gonna move on to the pig pen here. Go inside and see some lovely some lovely sow here. And then you have another sow here. Over there, if you realize, we have some young pigs that maybe born about 2 to 3 weeks ago. We have a lovely female large white here. And we have another female that recently had some young pigs about 3 to 4 days ago. And some lovely little young pigs. And as you go along again, we have some nice lovely winners here. Again, we have some nice females here as well. 3 nice lovely females. Lovely female durock here. Yes, so these are another nice sow here again. Go along again, we have a lovely, massive, large Canadian white, large white mixed with Canadian. Massive boar here. You can notice he's very huge. Nice little boar. Yeah, as you go along here, you notice the nipple. It's where they get the water from to drink. Because they eat the feed and stuff like that. They just put their mouth on it like this and water come out. This is where the trough where we put the feed in, so we eat from and stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna move on to another section of the farm. We go where we have some lovely Rottweiler dogs and stuff like that. Here we have some dog here. We have a German Shepherd, a mixed German Shepherd, a mixed Rottweiler there as well, and just a mongrel there. These are the securities of the livestock. Here we have. As you come along, we have some lovely Rottweiler dogs. Very dangerous. As you can see, very secretive and alerted. You can see, as I was saying, as we reach closer to the lovely Rottweilers, we have here we have 2 female here and a lovely bull. Very aggressive and stuff. And here again we have another young bull here as well. As you can see, again we have a young mixed German Shepherd. Some lovely young puppies here as well. So this is a section of the where we do our rearing of the our dogs and stuff like that. This here, the pen is very clean. This is the way we keep it. Keep the area very clean and cleansing for the animals and stuff like that. As you can see here, the mixed German Shepherd have 3 lovely puppy ears. You can see very active and lively. Young puppy we have here. Before we move on to the main operation of the farm, which is the goat, we're going to move on to the farmhouse, where we do the trough cutting and stuff like that. And as you see along, we have some lovely rabbits here as well. Rabbits here. This is another section of the rabbit as well. You can see we have some lovely rabbits here. Very friendly. Here is the trough cutter. This is where we cut you can see, just earlier where we do our chaff cutting of grass for the animal, as we are saying, this is a very useful machine to the farm. It's make you work easier and we can get the grass cut more faster and quicker, so we can easily feed the animals. You can maybe see the machine is a very old machine, but it's very useful, as you can see. Okay, and along here we have another new machine, another second machine here, but very active as well, but we use that one more to realize. But these are the machines we use to chop the grass at the farm. Don't mind as you can see, because the farmhouse is still under construction, trying to get things finished up. As you can see here, we have the beer ox mixed with the goat feed. This is another good feeding for the goat as well. With a lot of mineral and stuff, and protein in this for the goat as well. The animal, this is what the animal loves so much. As you can see, we're going to enter the main operation of the farm, which is the goat. As we come along. As you can see, the construction of the pen there, we have the pen and some column. The reason why we do the construction like that, in order to let breeze can flow under the pen and stuff like that, and it easily can clean out and stuff like that. When the goat pieces drop, it can sweep it up and stuff like that and bag it up, as you can see. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go in the pen right now. The main operation is going on. Pen here. As you can see, we have some lovely female boys here. Those two are every in kid and stuff. Some are our main female boars, lovely mother boar. As you can see here, we have a very nice boar ram here, very active and lively. You can see here, this is the chaff box here. We have some beer ox mixed with feeding. You can see here, this is the water. We put Nature Plus in it, good for the coal and stuff in the system of the animal. Clean their system from coal and stuff like that. Keep them active on boots. So you see here, we have a lovely Nubian female here. As you can see, we have some lovely boar female here with some nice kids and stuff. I was recently born maybe 2 to 3 months ago. 2 months. You can see very lively young boy we have here. Nice young boy here as well. As you can see here, we show you recently with the near club person in the water. As I was showing. You can see there is a section of the, we call it creep up in here, where the young kids is, where they go to graze their grass and apps as well there. These are the young kids chaff box here, as you can see. There's some lovely graded and boar kid there, as you can see. Yeah man. We have some lovely graded kids and boar kids here, as you can see. Here again you have some 2 nice graded ram here, growing so lovely and active, very lively and stuff like that. You can see here again you have some lovely Nubian female here on the farm as well. Luckily you can see where we do the D.D.D in here of the a young kid, to remove the hand from early. You can see the operation of the de-earning of the young kids, which is very painful, but it's very good for them, as you can see. As we and as you can see, to help them to recover, you have to use the silver spray to spray the areas where the de-earning was done and stuff like that, and give them antibiotic as they can heal the right and proper. As you can see, we're going to move to another section of the pen here. Here you can see we have some lovely young kids. We have some young newborn there and some young boy kid as well, growing so lovely and stuff. Here you can see we have a nice boar ram here. Very aggressive at times. Go along with another nice female boar there. Again, we have a nice female boar here. We have another graded here with two nice lovely kids. Here we have a very heavy in kid female boar here. As we go along, again we have a nice Nubian here, female heavy in kid as well. As you can see, we have another graded ram here as well. A nice boy here, growing so lovely. Along again we have another nice Nubian ram here, very active and lively. As you can see, we have a nice AI ram there as well. Very nice, lovely boy, as you can see. You can see here we have a very nice AI Nubian here. Very huge AI Nubian ram here. Very aggressive and ignorant at times. Nice ram, as you can see. As you can see here, king of the jungle, boar goat here, Billy. We call him Billy. Very aggressive at times. Very nice boy here. Price bull, as you can see, Billy. As we're gonna move to the last section of the pen, but not least. You can see again here we have some very lovely graded female goat here. As you can see, they are grazing grass that we cut in the trough cutter there. So enjoying their grass as well. Here again you have some lovely graded female here as well. As you can see. Here again we have some other lovely female graded here as well. As you can notice, one of the young kids there, they have a little thing on his mouth. It's a sickness that going around, catchy. We use a purple dressing to rub on it and to drop off the scab and stuff like that to get it to heal and get better. You can see here again we have some very nice female here that recently have some kids and stuff like that. As you can see here we have another female here, two lovely graded boar here as well. Going so lovely and nice. Here again we have some nice graded here, as you can see. They're enjoying the grass. If you notice, this little box here is the mineral box. As we show the mineral, the mineral salt that the goat can lick it. It's good for them, keep them clean them out and stuff like that. As you can see. Here is the last section of the pen. You see we have some more lovely graded female goat here. As you can see, we mostly have female goat on the farm, as you can notice, because we are mostly dealing with increasement. As you can see, 3 female here as well, with some lovely kids that was born maybe about 3 to 4 months ago. Nice lovely kids here, eating up them grass and stuff like that. As you can see in closing, we'll give you a quick tour of our operation at Tripoli Farm, Livestock Farming, located in Shrewsbury, Portland, next to the Fruitful Vale Primary School. That is our location.